Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the lino closely. Look for seams, bubbles, and the adhesive condition so you know what you face. Once done, remove furniture and baseboards and make sure the subfloor is clean and flat. This prevents future failure. You want all tools staged: utility knife, straight edge, trowel, adhesive, roller, so you can move without stopping. This early preparation reduces mistakes and saves time, because fixing errors later is always harder than preventing them. You'll next tackle the core work. Decide whether to repair or replace the damaged area based on size and backing adhesion. Cut a neat patch using the removed piece as a template, or lift the edge to scrape old adhesive away. Cleaning ensures the new glue bonds properly. Once you apply the recommended adhesive with the correct notch size, lay the patch or sheet and press firmly, working from center to edges so trapped air and voids escape and the seam sits tight. To finish, trim any excess material with a sharp blade once the adhesive is tacky but set, and roll every seam for several minutes so the bond is uniform. Then seal seams and reinstall baseboards, and make sure you allow the full cure time listed on the adhesive. Rushing leads to failure. If you later see bubbling or movement, don't panic. Gently reheat with a heat gun or iron through a cloth to relax the material, or lift and reapply adhesive to that localized area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.